Hi hello everyone. For this session I will discuss exercise 9D problems. See here first one. If y is equals to given, then prove that y double dash means second derivative of y is n square. So see here first one. So what is the given? Y is equal to a into e power nx plus b into e power minus nx. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So derivative of y is y dash is equals to a into d by dx of e power mx plus b into d by dx of e power minus nx. Now this is equal to a into, so derivative of e power nx, that is e power nx, and d by dx of nx, internal derivative of nx, and this is b into e power minus nx, d by dx of minus nx. So this is a into e power nx. So derivative of nx is what? N plus b e power minus nx, and derivative of minus nx, that is minus n. In both terms n is common, so what you get? A e power nx minus b e power minus nx. So this is y dash, but you need to find y double dash. So again we have to derivative of this y dash. So again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So what you get? Derivative of y dash is y double dash n into a into derivative of e power nx, that is e power nx, and internal derivative of nx, that is n, minus b into derivative of e power minus nx, e power minus nx, and internal derivative of minus nx, that is minus c. In both terms again n is common, n into n square. So this is y double dash is equals to n square into, so what are the remaining terms? A e power mx, a e power mx plus b e power minus n. So clear that value is y from equation 1. So this is equals to y double dash is equals to m square by since from 1. So clearly this is the required answer. So see the second solution. Again y is given and this satisfies cos square x d square by dx square plus 2x is equals to 2. Now given y is equal to x plus tan x. So find the derivative of this function. So y dash is equals to derivative of x 1 plus derivative of tan x, that is sec square x. So again differentiate on both sides. That is y double dash is equals to derivative of 1 0, derivative of secant square x. So it is in the form of d by dx of x to the power of n, that is n into x to the power of n minus 1. In place of n 2 is there. 2 into secant power 2 minus 1, that is secant power 1x, and to internal derivative of sec x. This is y double dash is equals to 2 secant x, derivative of secant x, that is secant x tan x. So this is what y double dash is equals to 2 sec square x, next tan x. Secant square and left side, then it becomes y double dash by sec square x 2 tan x. Okay. See here from equation 1, this can be written as y double dash cos square x is is equals to 2 into, so what is tan x value? Y minus 6. So right here y minus 6. So y double dash is what? Second derivative, that is d square y by dx square cos square x minus 2x and left side, then becomes plus 2x is equals to 2. So this is the required answer. So next we will discuss few 4 marks problems. See the first one. If y is equals to given, then y double dash plus y is equals to what? 4 cos x. So see here first one. Given y is equals to a cos x plus b plus 2x sin x. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So this is y dash is equals to a into derivative of cos x, that is minus sin x. So this is u and this is v. uv form, that is b plus 2x into u into derivative of sin x, that is cos x plus sin x into derivative of u, that is 0 plus derivative of 2x is 2. Now this is y dash is equal to minus a sin x. Next plus b plus 2x cos x plus 2 sin x. So again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. That is y double dash is equals to minus a into derivative of sin x, that is cos x. Next again uv form, that is b plus 2x into derivative of cos x minus sin x plus cos x into derivative of b plus 2x, derivative of b 0, derivative of 2x 2, okay, plus 2 into derivative of sin x cos x. So this is y double dash is equals to, in both terms minus is common, you will get a cos x plus b plus 2x sin x, remaining 2 cos x plus 2 cos x, that is 4 cos x. So clearly what is this value? This is y. Therefore y double dash is equals to minus y plus 4 cos x. This is y from equation 1. Now this is equals to y double dash plus y. This is equals to 4 cos x. So this is the required answer. See the next solution. If a y power 4 is equal to x plus b whole to the power of x, then 5y y double dash is equals to what? Y dash square. Now see here, given a y power 4 is equal to x plus b whole to the power of 5. Now this is what? Y power 4 is equal to x plus b whole to the power of 5 by a. So what is y value? Y is equal to x plus b whole to the power of 5 by 4 divided by a to the power of 1 by 4. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So derivative of y dash is equals to 1 by a to the power of 1 by 4 is constant. Derivative of x plus b whole to the power of 5 by 4, that is 5 by 4 into x plus b whole to the power of 5 by 4 minus 1. So y dash is equals to 5 by 4 a power 1 by 4 x plus b 5 by 4 minus 1, that is 1 by 4. Again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x. See here, this is equals to Derivative of y dash is y double dash. This is equals, this is constant, 5 by 4 a power 1 by 4. So clear in the form of x to the power of n into x to the power of n minus 1. That is 1 by 4 into x plus b whole to the power of 1 by 4 minus 1. Okay. So this is y double dash is equals to 5 by 16 a power 1 by 4 x plus b whole to the power of 1 by 4 minus 1. That is minus 3 by 4. So this is the value of y double dash. Now consider LHS. 5y y double dash. So 5 into, what is y value? This one. X plus b whole to the power of 5 by 4 divided by a power 1 by 4 into y double dash. This one. 5 by 16 a power 1 by 4 x plus b whole to the power of minus 3 by 4. So clear, this is what? 5 into 5, 25. That is 5 by 5 square. And 16 write as 4 square. And a power 1 by 4 whole square. Next 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4. That is 2 by 4. X plus b whole to the power of 2 by 4. Simply this can be written as 5 by 4 into a power 1 by 4 x plus b whole to the power of 1 by 4 whole square. So clearly what is this value? This value is y dash. Okay. So y dash whole square. Therefore 5y double dash is what? Y dash is square. Okay. See the next question, number 3. If x and y are given, then find second derivative. So clearly we have to use parametric method. So because of both functions x and y are given. See here, both the function in terms of t. So we have to differentiate with respect to t for finding the derivative of y. So see here, x is equals to a into t minus sin t. And what is y value? Y is equal to a into 1 plus cos t. See our function in terms of t. So differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t on both sides. See the first one. Dx by dt is equals to a into derivative of t 1, derivative of sin t, that is cos t. Simply what is dx by dt? This is equals to a into 1 minus cos theta form, that is 2 sin square t by 2. This is the value of dx by dt. Let's find dy by dt. A into derivative of 1, 0. Derivative of cos t minus sin t. So therefore dy by dt is what? Minus a sin t formula. 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. This is equation 2. Now equation 2 by equation 1. Here equation 2 by equation 1. So what you get? Equation 2 is what? Minus 2a sin t by 2 cos t by 2 divided by 2a sin square t by 2. 2a to a get cancel. 1 sin t by 2 is what? dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So clearly dy by dx is equals to what? Minus cos t by 2 divided by sin t by 2. So this is minus cot t by 2. Again differentiate with respect to x. So because of we need to find d square y by dx square. Here dy by dx is equals to minus cot t by 2. So differentiate with respect to what? X on both sides. Okay. Now this is d square y by dx square. So derivative of cot theta, that is minus cosec square theta. This is minus of derivative of cot theta minus cosec square theta minus cosec square t by 2 into d by dx of t by 2. Okay. Now this is cosec square t by 2. This is what? 1 by 2 into dt by dx. Okay. Dx by dt is what? A 2 sin square t by 2. What is dt by dx? The reverse of this. So d square y by dx square is equal to cosec square t by 2 by 2 dt by dx. Right reverse. 1 by 2a sin square t by 2. Okay. So this is what? 1 by 4a cosec square into cosec square. Cosec for 4 t by 2. This is the second derivative of the given function. For next session, we will discuss new chapter.